New Year begins with rain shower in Chennai delights residents. On the first day of this new year we have received rain, said another resident of the city. The city received moderate rainfall in the morning which caused traffic jams at major junctions. People living in Tamil Nadu's capital Chennai rang in the new year in raincoats and with umbrellas on Wednesday. I am really enjoying the rain. According to the India Meteorological Department (IMD), the northeast monsoon is set to continue at least till January 4 in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry.